Loft-style living rooms are different and always unusual. We offer you to see photos of finished interior projects. They were developed by our specialists from beginning to end. Look for ideas, learn about the intricacies of the style and layout of the premises under the loft. We will show you how to choose colors, finishing materials, furniture, decor and lighting fixtures. If you have any questions, our designers are available to help you create your unique living room design project. Key basics of loft style. Loft is a design direction that has changed a lot in recent years. It came to houses and apartments and brought with it a feeling of freedom and brutality, but certainly combined with a comfortable, homely atmosphere. What principles should be followed now when creating the interior of living rooms in a loft style? Be sure to draw a diagram of the house in advance, and especially carefully work out the diagram of the living room and the areas adjacent to it. This will help to properly zoning. Usually, mobile structures, light and furniture are used to delimit space. The rooms smoothly flow into one another, creating a single interior, the center of which is the living room. The kitchen, study, and sometimes the bedroom in the loft serve as small functional areas. Initially, the loft was associated with spacious attic and factory premises. Now experts successfully use the principles of this style in the design of small cottages and studio apartments. Visually increase the area of the hall and improve the design of the hall will allow dazzling white ceiling, retro or modern design of the fireplace. The fireplace portal is often lined with granite, natural large stones, ceramic tiles, living plants, decorative elements and wooden furniture. Mostly light objects in the interior. 1. Maximum 2 accents in the interior, a panel on the wall, a table with an unusual shape or an armchair of bright color. When designing city apartments, soft loft principles are usually used. They make an imitation of brickwork, try not to overdo it with concrete and untreated surfaces. The design is neat, soft, cozy and at the same time conveys the free atmosphere of attic spaces. For finishing the floor, natural materials or high-quality parquet or laminate, tiles imitating stone are used. The priority is wood species such as pine and oak. The ceiling in the loft living rooms is almost bare, only covered with concrete like plaster or painted with light paint. Walls are usually in the form of bricks, wooden boards, concrete surfaces, much less often vertical surfaces are covered with wallpaper. The main color is white, more precisely its light grayish shades. They help to visually increase the area of the hall, expand its boundaries, give airiness. Liven up the living room, make it warmer, more comfortable with wood furniture. A coffee or dining table made of raw wood will draw attention to the interior, as will steel shelving and shelves. Do not skimp on expensive leather sofas and armchairs. If you live in a country house, in a hot climate, opt for upholstered furniture with linen upholstery. The sofa can be decorated with decorative pillows, and instead of the usual table, use wooden pallets or a suitcase. Retro-style headsets are still considered fashionable for the loft. The loft style is not at all about souvenirs, masterpieces of painting, figurines and just cute accessories. In the living room, you will certainly come across all kinds of metal structures, graffiti or road signs, posters, pop art objects or abstraction, black and white photos, a mirror with a raw frame. As decor, even various details from mechanisms, unusual wall clocks are suitable. Do not be afraid to bring comfort to the atmosphere. Soft loft is a design direction that does not deny textiles on the windows and decorative pillows on the sofa. Scroll through the photos in our catalog again to make sure of this. On the windows of the hall in the apartment, you can hang roller or light-colored fabric curtains, blinds. On upholstered furniture, put bright, stylish pillows with inscriptions, and on the floor, a carpet with an unusual color or texture. Another great idea is to try to bring elements of eco style into the interior of the hall. The easiest way to do this is with natural materials. Lighting in the loft plays one of the main roles. With the help of a large number of light sources, volume is added to the space, any design looks more interesting. We can say that the lighting fixtures paint the living room in bright colors, at least involuntarily increase the range of shades used in the interior. It is worth paying attention to metal and glass models with a strict design. By the way, there will be spotlights, ultra-modern track systems, spotlights, chandeliers with large shades and even garlands. Do you want to create the effect of a ceiling floating in the air in the hall? Get fluorescent lighting, rod or studio bulbs. If you like the design projects of modern loft-style living rooms, consider renovating. You can always turn a dull home into a pleasant corner, add personality to the interior. It is not necessary to radically change everything, sometimes it is enough to use a couple of characteristic elements. Just ask our designers for help.